How to cut out parts of video on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the iMovie application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Start New Project in the bottom to start a new project. From the options that appear, select Movie to build your project from scratch. You will be taken to your media library. Select the video you want to include in your movie, and then tap Create Movie at the bottom. You are now in the editing timeline where you can arrange your clips. To split the clip, tap on it in the timeline, move the playhead to your desired point, and tap the split option at the bottom. Then, adjust the video and tap on Split again to keep it according to your preference. You can now select the part of the clip you want to remove and tap on Delete as shown to remove it from the timeline. Once you are satisfied with your edits, tap on Done in the top left corner to save your project. Following these steps, you can easily cut out parts of videos on an iPhone.